So then another most important frequently asked coding segment is how to find the symmetric difference between two sets by using bitwise exclusive OR operator. The bitwise exclusive OR operator, truth table considered as similar bits 0, dissimilar bits 1. On that basis, symmetric difference will be performed. Let us consider the following code. S1 is equal to, the values are 100, 200, 300, 400. S2 is equal to 300, 400, 500, 600. And find the symmetric difference between this S1 and S2. S3 is equal to S1 exclusive OR operator S2. Similar values will be excluded, dissimilar values will be considered. That is the main theme behind of this exclusive OR operator. The real-time purpose of exclusive OR operator is to find the symmetric difference between the two sets. Print the S3 value. S3 value. Let us run this code. The output is going to come. The 10, 100, 200, 500 and 600 is the values which are coming. You can also apply S2 and S1 also we can apply. It is also going to give you the similar type of answer. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.